So we really need to think that we aren't just making anything, we are giving a thought behind what we are making, because companies and brands are also now going to give a thought behind everything. People are becoming more aware. And I think after this COVID, spending powers are going to change. So I am Subir and I'm a graphic designer and lettering artist based in India. So right now I'm pretty much working from my home studio because I'm freelancing mostly. Quarantine for me personally has been very productive. I've got to work on my passion projects and some pending projects and completed a whole new artworks. And it's been really good for me, and I got to learn so many new things because I'm a keen learner, and I learn things aside of design also because I really believe that knowledge in any form never goes waste. Having a routine has really helped me being productive and motivated. And one thing that really helps me is writing down my tasks for the next day a night before. Because then you wake up with a purpose and you know what you have to do. You're more efficient. You don't wake up thinking that what am I going to do today or what should I do. You already have a plan and you know how your day is going to go. And also having a dedicated workspace really keeps me away from distractions and keeps me active. So these are my tips. See, I think people are going to be more aware and they are going to make more meaningful and thoughtful decisions in terms of what they make or what we as consumers buy also. So we really need to think that we aren't just making anything, we are giving a thought behind what we are making, because companies and brands are also now going to give a thought behind everything. People are becoming more aware. And I think after this COVID, spending powers are going to change. I think this is a great opportunity to learn new things because you have time and you don't have any barriers right now. Even if you're doing a job, I think you can take some time out and work on your passion projects or something that was pending. It's normal to feel discouraged and lazy at times. So give yourself rest, be it for a day or a month. If you don't feel like doing anything, don't do it. Don't pressurize yourself. Like, I haven't really made anything new since 15 days or 20 days. And I never ever push myself. It's like I give myself time. I do have clients to work with. See, I have work aside to lettering also. I'm a graphic designer. So I get projects like logo designing, packaging designing. So I do have projects lined up. I don't need Instagram for that right now because like I get clients without that also. So I do have some clients lined up and I have approached a few brands for my lettering artwork. So it's in line and they'll be responding me soon. So that's what's going on. I mean, it's pretty much normal. It's pretty much same for freelancers, I think.